Hello everybody, I'm Anjana and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple face pack which you can definitely try at home during this monsoon. So let's start.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Okay, so let's start making the simple face pack. All you need is to mix some coffee powder, some honey and some lemon juice and stir it well until you get a lump-free paste. Now it's application time and always make sure that your face is clean before applying any face pack. Apply the face pack all over your face, neck area as well. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cold water. Later pat dry your face. No, we are not finished yet. It's very important to follow up with a moisturizer, otherwise masking might result in dry skin. This step also helps your skin hydrated and maximizing the full effect of the face pack you applied. So that's it. This is a very simple face pack which you all can definitely try. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.